Guys, Rob from Smooth As Detailing here. We've got this beautiful KE30. We love these cars and we love working on these things. So customer Sash has given it to us or brought it to us just to go over it, get it as best as we can because he doesn't want to paint it anytime soon. Original car, it has been painted like many moons ago. So what we done, we carried out a 2-stage paint correction on this. Couldn't do no sanding. Even with the correction we had to be super careful because the paint was very thin, as you will see. Some parts it looked thick or it measured thick, but the actual top layer of the color itself was super thin. It's been a stressful job to say the least. Phil has polished up all the chrome work, glass. He's thrashed his hands on the interior and engine bay. The interior was pretty good, but just needed those little touches just to give it, you know, that special little gleam to it. Clean up the wheels, guard liners, the underbody, we gave that a little bit of a clean and a scrub. But yeah, the car speaks for itself. Have a look at it. So we've polished up all the door jambs as well, scrubbed them down. There was a little bit of overspray here and there as well, so we had to mix up a bit of chemicals and get rid of all that. It's mainly on the rubbers and these little seals around here, so we've fixed all that up as well. Had to be extra careful around the badging and all these pinstriping here, but it's come up really good. Best thing about these old Corollas, I'm not going to say nothing. New cars don't even start that quick. Been painted many years ago. We're doing a paint correction on it. Now look, the paint is not the thickest, but we'll just give you an example here. So there's, you got 90 microns, it varies heaps, 99, you know, and some people say, okay, that's fine, or it is a bit thin. Yeah, it will be, but you just got to think, this is only telling you the depth from the top to the metal. So we go over here, that's showing 111, which is normally quite good. But at 111, you can see colour's already through. So someone has tried to buff this before, has gone through the colour, and now that's, I'm guessing it's the old colour or a primer, but it looks like the old Corolla blue. So this panel was blue before and they've painted it and whatnot. So, you know, it might look like you got heaps to play with there, but the colour that's been painted on here is super thin. So we're treading on thin ice here, but just use this as a reference.
Yeah, they hate when you elevate. They stacking up losses, I'm handing them out, yeah, I had to go delegate. It feel like I'm floating, I'm lost in the moment, I swear I could levitate. They never believed that I would really fly, I had to go demonstrate. I had to set them straight. They hate when you elevate, elevate, elevate. They hate when you elevate, elevate, elevate. Yeah. They hate when you elevate, elevate, elevate. They hate when you elevate, yeah. I had to elevate. I'm way up, way too fly, yeah, I'm feeling myself. Ain't no chance I'm coming down, no. Got a soul view to myself, yeah. Why would I give it up? Why do they wanna come take my place? I work too hard for it, don't need a replacement. This my vocation, now I got rollies all in rotation. Hop on a jet just to take a vacation. Remember the moments was trapped in the basement. Now the hard work is all taking me places. Water on bed like we trapped in the matrix. Bet on myself and go ball out in Vegas. Living a life like I'm rich and I'm famous. Don't see the grind that I know that it came with, oh. I ain't make it this far for myself, yeah. I had to prove to everybody else, yeah. I had to set them straight, yeah. I had to boss, so I had to renovate, I know. They hate when you elevate. They stacking up losses, I'm handing them out, yeah. I had to go delegate. It feel like I'm floating, I'm lost in the moment, I swear I could levitate. They never believed that I would really fly, I had to go demonstrate. I had to set them straight.